Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to install HBO Max on your Fire Stick. So if you're looking for the HBO Max app, then just follow along. First, open search from your Fire Stick home screen and then type Max into the search bar. Since HBO Max has rebranded in many regions, the app now appears simply as Max. Then select the official Max app and select download. Then wait for the installation to finish and open the app and sign in with your subscription account. Then if prompted, activate your device using the activation code displayed on your TV. And after signing in, you'll have access to all available Max content included with your subscription. So that was how to install HBO Max on Firestick. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.